In today's fast-paced world, finding time for a nutritious meal can be a challenge. Whether you're rushing to work, hitting the gym, or shuttling between errands, grabbing a quick snack seems like the easiest option. Now, if you're following a ketogenic diet, not all snacks are created equal. Mastering the art of keto snacks goes beyond just choosing low-carb options. It's about crafting delicious, nutritious creations that elevate your keto experience to new heights. Join me on a journey through the fascinating world of keto snacking, where I'll share tips, tricks, and tantalizing recipes to help you become a master of the art. Snacking on a ketogenic diet serves several important purposes. Firstly, snacks can help bridge the gap between meals, preventing dips in energy levels and keeping hunger at bay. Secondly, snacks can provide an opportunity to increase fat intake, ensuring that you meet your daily macronutrient targets. Finally, snacks can satisfy cravings for sweet or savory treats without derailing your ketogenic progress. When it comes to keto snacking, quality is key. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide a steady source of energy and support overall health. Choose organic, grass-fed meats and dairy products whenever possible, and opt for fresh, seasonal produce to maximize flavor and nutrition. The mighty avocado. Let's start with nature's butter, the avocado. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, avocados make the perfect on-the-go snack. You can simply slice it in half, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and dig in with a spoon. Or get creative by making guacamole and pairing it with low-carb veggies like cucumber or bell peppers for a satisfying crunch. Nutty delight, almonds and walnuts. Almonds and walnuts are nutrient powerhouses, rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're portable, delicious, and perfect for snacking on the go. Keep a handful of almonds or walnuts in your bag for a quick energy boost whenever hunger strikes. Just remember to watch your portions, as nuts are calorie-dense. Cheese please, string cheese or cheese cubes. Say cheese. Cheese is not only delicious but also a great source of protein and calcium. String cheese or cheese cubes are convenient keto snacks that require no preparation. They're satisfying, savory, and can be enjoyed anywhere, anytime. Pair them with some cherry tomatoes or olives for a flavorful combination. Boiled eggs. Eggs are a staple in the keto diet, and for good reason. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent choice for a quick snack. Boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week and keep them in the fridge for a grab-and-go option. Sprinkle some salt and pepper for extra flavor, and you're all set for a protein-packed snack. Deli meat roll-ups. Deli meat roll-ups are a simple yet satisfying keto snack that you can customize to your liking. Choose your favorite deli meat, such as turkey, ham, or roast beef, and wrap it around a slice of cheese or avocado. Add some mustard or mayo for extra flavor, roll it up, and you've got yourself a tasty snack that's perfect for on-the-go munching. Craving something crunchy? Reach for some veggie sticks paired with a delicious dip. Celery, cucumber, and bell peppers are low-carb options that provide a satisfying crunch. Pair them with guacamole, hummus, or ranch dressing for a flavorful and nutritious snack that will keep you fueled and satisfied. Who says you can't drink your snacks? A keto smoothie is a convenient way to pack in nutrients while on the go. Blend some low-carb fruits like berries or avocado with high-fat ingredients like coconut milk or almond butter. Add some spinach or kale for an extra dose of vitamins and minerals. Pour it into a travel-friendly bottle, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for busy days. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Chocolate can be keto-friendly. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, which is lower in sugar and higher in antioxidants. A square or two of dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing a quick energy boost. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. As you savor each melt in your mouth bite, you feel a sense of warmth and contentment, knowing that you're treating yourself to a guilt-free pleasure that nourishes both body and soul. And how to master keto snacking? Here are some useful tips to follow. Focus on whole foods. When it comes to keto snacking, Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Opt for snacks like nuts, seeds, avocados, and cheese, which provide essential nutrients while keeping carb counts low. Watch your portions. While keto-friendly foods can be nutritious, they can also be calorie-dense. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating, especially if weight loss is a goal. Keep it low-carb. To maintain ketosis, it's essential to keep your carbohydrate intake low. Choose keto-friendly snacks that are low in carbs and high in fat and protein. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, which can spike blood sugar levels and derail your progress. Plan ahead. Preparation is key to keto snacking success. Take the time to plan and prepare snacks in advance, whether it's portioning out nuts into grab-and-go bags or prepping vegetables for dipping. Prioritize protein. Protein is an important component of any healthy diet, providing essential amino acids for muscle repair, immune function, and overall vitality. Incorporate protein-rich snacks into your keto repertoire, such as hard-boiled eggs, cheese, and lean meats. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst can masquerade as hunger. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day and reach for hydrating snacks like cucumber or celery sticks when cravings strike. Hydration is key to overall health and well-being, especially on a ketogenic diet. Get creative. Don't be afraid to get creative with your keto snacks. Experiment with different flavor combinations, try new recipes, and think outside the box to keep things interesting and enjoyable. Eating keto doesn't mean sacrificing convenience or flavor when it comes to snacks. With these 8 simple keto snacks, you can stay energized and satisfied while on the go. Whether you prefer savory, crunchy, or sweet, there's a keto-friendly option for everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have found it interesting and useful, please do not forget to subscribe.